Okay, your assignment this week is to submit your persuasive essay final draft. And so I wanted to show you my persuasive essay today, and so you can kind of get a feel of what it should look like. And then we'll talk through a couple of different things as I am showing you my essay. So let's get it. All right, first you'll notice that I have my MLA heading here and a title, right? So I've got my name, my professor's name, the class, the date, right? And a fun title here, right? That generates interest in my essay. Okay, next, I've got my intro paragraph. You must have an intro paragraph. Your thesis statement is going to come at the end of your intro paragraph. And before that, right, the whole purpose of your intro paragraph is to generate interest in your topic and tell us what your paper is going to be about. Okay, so you want the intro paragraph to be engaging, to be interesting, not boring, right? Because do you like reading stuff that's boring? No, I don't either. So, no boring intros. I have kind of set up my topic of restaurants in Lubbock, and then I transitioned to the best restaurant in Lubbock. You can do a bunch of different things here, and I have attached a worksheet this week that will walk you through different ways to start your intro paragraph, but you could tell a story, you could start with the opposite. There are a bunch of different ways, and you'll see that in that worksheet. But this is what I've done. So let's read the intro paragraph. It seems that Lubbockites often determine their equality with other cities in the state by measuring how many chain restaurants they have from the big cities. People celebrated when Razoo's and Chewy's and Longhorn Steakhouse and others came to town. However, the best Lubbock restaurant is not from Austin or Dallas, and it is not a chain. It is a local Lubbock product. The best restaurant in Lubbock is Thai Pepper Restaurant because of the unparalleled type cuisine, cozy atmosphere at just the right price. Okay, so you clearly know what this is going to be about, right? It's going to be about Thai Pepper. What are my 3 points? Really yummy food, cool atmosphere, cheap. Okay, so you see that in my thesis statement. Notice again, my thesis statement is at the end of my intro paragraph. Okay, leads right into my first point, which is the food. So I want to pop up here and look at my outline, which I showed you last week. And you'll see here, I told you to write a topic sentence, write the first sentence of the paragraph. And I told you last week that writing a good outline was going to help you when you get started writing your paper, which is so true because now I just copy this topic sentence and I put it as my first sentence of my second paragraph, right? My point 1. So remember, in my thesis, I have unparalleled Thai cuisine as my first point, and so I'm going to talk about the food at the restaurant first. Thai Pepper has the best Thai food in town, and their best dishes are the cool special and the ever-popular pad Thai. Okay, so in this paragraph, I'm going to talk about how to have the best food, specifically the cool special and the pad Thai are my favorites. Okay, the cool special is a Thai pepper specialty. The chefs prepare beef and veggies in a special sauce, put it over rice and top with an egg. When the yolk breaks and spread its creamy yellow sauce over the beef and rice, this dish achieves perfection. Oh, it is so good. Another popular dish at at Thai Pepper is pad Thai. Some other Thai restaurants are too heavy on the red sauce in their pad Thai or the peanuts or the cabbage, but at Thai Pepper, the pad Thai is flawless. Truly, it is. It has the perfect balance of salty and sweet, crunchy and noodly. These dishes are the best Thai Pepper has to offer, but everything on their menu is tasty. Not only does Thai Pepper deliver the perfect amount of flavor and spice, but customers get to eat their food in a unique little dive restaurant. And you'll see, right, I had you also write on your outline your transition sentence where you have one foot in one paragraph and one in the other. You sum up what you just talked about in that paragraph and lead into what your next point is. So I've got that in here. I just copied it straight from my outline and put it in as the last sentence of my second paragraph. Okay, and then I start with my next. Okay, that leads right into my next point, which is atmosphere. Again, my topic sentence here comes straight from my outline, right? The atmosphere at Thai Pepper is cozy and filled with Thai memorabilia and smells of Thai food. So great. Okay, so I've got that here, my first sentence. And then pre-COVID, patrons enjoy the cozy Thai atmosphere at Thai Pepper. The restaurant is small and intimate. The wait staff has been largely consistent for the last 10 years, so it's fun to see familiar faces each time. The dining room walls are covered with pictures from Thailand or of Buddha, lending an authentic flair to the place. When customers open the door, the bell rings and they're greeted by smells of delicious Thai food and a smile from the server at the counter. During COVID, Thai Pepper is still serving food, but the dining room is closed. Patrons have to call in an order and pick it up at the front door. Hopefully, the dining room will reopen soon so patrons can get the full Thai Pepper experience. Thai Pepper creates a cozy atmosphere for eating the best Thai food in town, and that food comes at the perfect price. So you see my transition sentence again, copied straight from my outline here. My third point is going to be cost, right? It is pretty cheap. All right. Thai Pepper's prices are very affordable because 2 people can eat for less than $20. Again, that topic sentence is what this whole paragraph is going to be about. Not that you can eat for less than $20, but just that it's cheap. And then that is also straight from my outline. Thai Pepper has the best Asian food in town, and most dishes are less than $10. Compared to a big chain restaurant like P.F. Chang's, where a couple can easily spend $100 on appetizers, entrees, and drinks, Thai Pepper patrons could get appetizers, entrees, and drinks for less than $50. If they only ordered entrees, the total would be closer to $20. This is an incredible value for the best Asian food in town. The affordability of Thai Pepper makes eating there regularly a possibility, which is amazing. Okay, I do not have a transition sentence after my third paragraph. I move straight into my conclusion. I'm also going to link a worksheet for my conclusion paragraph, and this is the formula that I teach for all conclusion paragraphs. The first sentence, you restate the thesis without the 3 points. So my whole point of this whole paper, right, is that Thai Pepper is the best restaurant in Lubbock. So I'll start with that, and then I'm going to recap my 3 points, each in their own sentence, right? So I'll have a sentence about the yummy food, a sentence about the cozy atmosphere, and a sentence about the price. And then I'll end with a final thought, your final takeaway. Why did you write this paper? I wrote this paper so everybody can know how great it is and want to go there because it's so yummy and I love it, okay? So end with a final powerful thought. In the worksheet, it'll tell you can also end with a quote. If you end up using a quote, either in your intro or conclusion paragraph, just make sure that you have that quote cited on your works cited page. I didn't use a quote, so I don't have a works cited page. If you have any questions on how to do that, please reach out to me. Okay, let's read my conclusion. Thai Pepper Restaurant is the best restaurant in Lubbock, right? That's, again, my whole point, restated in different words in my first sentence of my conclusion. The Thai food is amazing. The atmosphere is cozy and authentic. The price is affordable. And as an added bonus, supporting local restaurants support the local economy and helps Lubbock neighbors. Plan to visit Thai Pepper soon because they're closed for a good chunk of December for Christmas, and their green curry soup will warm anyone up on a cold day. I just want to go there now. Anyway, okay, so that is my persuasive essay, right? Just an example for you. It hits our word count. Let me know if you have any questions or issues as you're writing your whole essay this week. I will give you a chance to meet with me during office hours next week. We can read through your rough draft and see if we have any changes that we need to make before your final draft is due next Friday. Yeah, so good luck. Can't wait to read your essays.